I would like to share with you today the rules we follow for our meal preparation.
You know, keeping up with the kitchen can be challenging sometimes. It can be time-consuming.
True. We hope these guidelines are useful for your kitchen as they are for ours.
Should we get ready?
Yep. Let me help you with the hat.
Thanks. Let's get your apron ready. There you go. Number 1, use ingredients at hand.
Yes, start by checking your refrigerator. Is there any food that needs to be used? Look at your pantry. Anything approaching the expiration date?
What about your garden? Any harvest ready to be picked up?
Number 2, make it tasty.
Find your key ingredients, the ones that make your mouth water. What's yours?
Definitely plantains. What about you?
Apple cider vinegar. Number 3, make it natural.
The more natural a food is, the healthier it is, the less you have to be checking labels, the fullest you will feel.
Yep, and the happier your stomach and colon will be.
Definitely. Number 4, make it last.
Cook meals now and save for later. It will help you save time, and you can alternate dishes you have prepared to have variety.
Right.
Number 5, improvise and experiment.
If an ingredient from your recipe is missing, use a substitute. There are usually alternative ingredients. No mangoes,
Use grapes. No potato.
use cassava. No mustard.
Use soy sauce.
There is so much joy in trying different things.
Don't get discouraged if it does not work out the first time. There is a learning curve. Be patient with yourself.
Correct. Number 6, make it quick.
This is very, very important.
Have main ingredients close by and then use kitchen appliances to make cooking a breeze.
Make it simple, easy, and painless.
I agree.
Number 7, make it fun.
Check recipes on the internet. There are a full range of options. Find your favorite websites.
Play music. Your favorite TV channel. Invite a family member.
Just